Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TurboTax for reporting rental property deductions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for TurboTax in the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the TurboTax website. Locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will see a prompt to enter your username or email. Type in your registered username or email address. Click the Continue button to move to the next step. Now, you will need to enter your password. Input your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if necessary. Once your password is entered, click on the Sign In button. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your TurboTax dashboard. Look for the section related to your tax returns and deductions. Select the appropriate tax return year for which you wish to report rental property deductions. Navigate to the section labeled Deductions and Credits. Within this section, find the option for Rental Property. Follow the prompts to enter your rental property details. Fill in the required fields regarding rental income and expenses. Ensure you report all relevant expenses like maintenance, repairs, and property management fees. Review your entries for accuracy before proceeding. When you have completed entering all relevant deductions, click the Continue button. Double-check all information before finalizing your tax return. Once satisfied, follow the instructions for e-filing or printing your return. Log out of your account after you finish to ensure your information is secure. You have now successfully logged into TurboTax and reported your rental property deductions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.